The Election Commission entered days of suspense and released final turnout figures for the first and second phase of Lok Sabha elections on Tuesday. The first phase turnout has been revised up from 63.7% given on April 19 and 64% given on April 20 to a final tally of 66.10%. This is an increase of over 2% upon the figure given on voting day. The second phase turnout is up from 63% given on April 26 to 66.70%, which is nearly 4% higher than the figure given on the voting day. The final tally, however, is 1% lower than the provisional figure given on April 28. The opposition has criticized the EC over the delay in releasing final figures. It is asking why the EC took 11 days to give Phase 1 figures and 4 days for Phase 2. CPM General Secretary Sitaram Yechuri has questioned the EC on why the absolute number of registered voters in each constituency is not being put out. He claims the total number of voters in each constituency was always available on EC website till 2014. Yechuri, in his post on X, said percentages are meaningless unless the number of registered voters is known. He said apprehensions of manipulation of results continue as total voter numbers can be altered at the time of counting. The Congress urged the EC to release turnout data as fast as possible for coming phases.
2014 और किसी की चीज़ के लिए समय नहीं होगा, पर मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि तीसरे चरण के लिए 7वें चरण तक ये जो विलंब पहले और दूसरे चरण में देखा गया है वो दोहराया नहीं जाएगा।
The TMC also raised questions over the delay.
5.75% ভোট যেখানে যেখানে বিজেপির কম ভোট পোল হয়েছিল সেই সব জায়গায় হঠাৎ করে ভোটটা বাড়িয়ে দিয়েছে ইলেকশন কমিশন, একটা নোটিশ জারি করেছে। ইভিএম মেশিন কারা তৈরি করেছে, ইভিএম মেশিনের চিপ কারা তৈরি করেছে, এই সংখ্যাটা বাড়লো কি করে?
While the fight over turnout figures rages, the real question is whether the votes can be manipulated or is the delay being blown out of proportion.